Hi my she's, he's, and theys. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I start a project. From finding my doll to cleaning my doll. If you're like me, you probably have a lot of dolls. This one that I'm picking up right now is from the Rainbow High series. I just got her. I have some plans for her, but I don't feel like customizing her today. You might find yourself trying to pick between a male doll or a female doll, whether or not you want to make a masculine outfit or a feminine outfit. Most people will go for the female doll because there are more of them. Then you'll have to figure out what kind of face shape do you want. Do you want more pronounced, or do you want more of a petite figure? If you notice, this Elizabeth doesn't have her lower arms. Well, it's because I needed it for a Draculaura. Their skin tones are rather similar, so occasionally when I purchase dolls, they'll come with extra arms from ones that have fallen off, so I always keep them in a little tiny box. These two dolls are not even Monster High. The one on the left is a Cave Club doll, and the one on the right is a purple top Barbie made to move doll. She has amazing joints and an amazing face-up sculpt. The doll that I've chosen to work with is a Claudine Wolf. I don't remember what line she's from. If you remember, can you tell me in the comments, because I've completely forgotten what line this doll is from. But this is for a commission I have gotten. These dolls were gifted to me by a really good friend of mine. They're in really good condition and I appreciate it very much. So what you want to do is you want to take the clothes and put them to the side, and then you want to take all the plastic pieces like the earrings, the bracelets, and you want to put them in a pile. So, since the clothes are fabric, what I use is a tiny bit of softener and a tiny bit of Dawn soap, and I mix it together and I clean the clothes that way, and then I hang them to dry. You can also spin them out with a salad spinner if you prefer. Once all of my clothes are dried and cleaned, then I sort through all of the little tidbits and put them into separate bags. That way I know where they are, and they usually go in one of my clothes stock boxes, just in case I need any bracelets or earrings for my dolls. Most of the times when I clean my dolls, I find that the hair is very sticky and gross, so I'm going to have to cut off the hair. Once the hair is taken off, then use 100% acetone or nail polish remover to take off the face. Use circular motions or scrubbing motions. You can also use a Q-tip or a paper towel or even a cotton swab to take off the acetone. The lips are probably one of the hardest to take off of this doll because they are made out of glitter, and the glitter does not like the acetone, and it takes a long time and a lot of scrubbing to get it off. I put the dolls in hot water with dish soap, and I start washing them. We want to make sure that all of the germs and just all of the glue and all of the other gunk are washed away, because we don't want any of that on the doll when we make the face up. If you're going to put them in a box to wait for later, I would, once you are going to make a doll, dig it back out, wash it, put a little bit more acetone on the face, just to make sure that it's all completely clean. Well, once the dolls are all clean and dry, then you're ready to go. I hope this video was very helpful. If it was, leave a like. If you have any more questions, please comment them down below. I'd love to read them. Next video will be about epoxy sculpt, so see you then. Bye.